Hi and welcome to my blog. For today's video, I will walk you through how to create a phrase or a word in a circle shape by using Canva.com. So let's go now to my Canva account. While doing this, I would like to thank you in advance for subscribing and clicking the notification bell on my channel. Boom, we are now here in my Canva account. So in case you don't have yet a Canva account, I will just leave a link below for you to sign up. It's for free and you can create a lot of things that you want. Canva is beginner friendly, so you don't need graphic skills to create something you want. So let's create a blank area where we can create our design. Okay, let's go and add some text. What will we gonna type? Maybe like this: I am handsome according to my mom. So that's it, just for fun. So I am handsome according to my mom, but others say otherwise. So the text is in a lowercase, so to automatically change this in uppercase, I could just click in here. So it's uppercase already. So now let's create this phrase in a circle shape. So we just go to effects and click this curve. Then you can just adjust in here so that all the words can be seen and it can be turned into round or perfect round like that. Let's move a little bit. Okay, that's it. Now I want this I want the text to have some more spacing between mom and I and am and handsome, for example. So I'll just double click on it, click in here, so at the end of I am, and click here, then enter twice, 1 2, and I'll go to the last word mom. I'll again enter twice, 1 2, and then okay, that's it. The I is missing, but just behind the letter M. To do, I will just adjust. I will just adjust here. Again, go back to effects and just do some a little bit adjustment like that. And, okay, I'm satisfied on that. Now I want the text to have some colors. Just add some colors on it, just to double click and highlight I am. Just put it on red color, and the following text, I will just make it blue. That's it. Now I can just turn this so that it will be read from the top. Okay, that's it. You can add some picture in it if you want to. Maybe your mother who said that you're handsome, or your parents, like that. Okay, that's it. And I just want to add more to walk you through more. For example, you have just a few texts or few letters or just a word, for example, handsome. So we'll make it again uppercase, and let's go again to effects, then curve it. Okay, just adjust it. Now we adjusted maximum. Okay, as you can see, it is already 100 and it did not turn around. So what we're gonna do is, the technique on this is just go to here and just make some adjustment on the spacing. Okay, that's it. Maybe you can just move to the center, add some color in it, and add your beautiful or handsome pictures like that. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll just check the link below for you to sign up for free account in Canva, and I included also some links that maybe you are interested in. Thank you. Bye.